This excellent washer-dryer from LG is perfect if you're looking for a contemporary model with innovative technology. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an A energy rating, and a large 10.5 kilogram drum capacity for washing and a 7 kilogram drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. This model can be remotely controlled using LG's SmartThink app from your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly clean clothes without a second thought. LG's eco-hybrid technology gives you the power to choose how you dry your laundry. Simply select the standard normal dry option, which uses water to cool hot air before it leaves the machine to dry your clothes up to 10 minutes faster. Or if you want to save energy and reduce your utility bills, switch over to EcoDry. It uses a clever heat pump to recycle hot air, meaning you won't waste a single drop of water. This means the choice between saving time or energy is entirely up to you. If you're looking for a contemporary washer-dryer with innovative technology, this excellent model from LG is the perfect choice.